Coping with severe weather challenges. Tropical climates are often accompanied by sudden rain and fog. In these severe weather conditions, road visibility is greatly reduced, posing a great challenge to night driving. Solar road studs use waterproof materials and high-brightness LED technology to maintain a stable lighting effect even in rainy and foggy weather, providing drivers with a reliable navigation reference. They seem to cover the road with an invisible protective net, allowing drivers to drive safely in harsh environments. Green and environmentally friendly. Energy saving and emission reduction. Another significant advantage of solar road studs is their green and environmentally friendly characteristics. They use solar energy as energy, do not require an external power supply, and achieve zero emissions and zero pollution.